Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Today is May 29th, being Thursday, 2025. Yesterday being 28th day of May, the United States, as I said in other video that is coming, that they confirm Nigeria is under siege of terrorism. And they are calling on Tinubu's administration to do something urgent about it. But unfortunately, Tinubu can't do anything. However, that is not the topic of this video or the focus of this video. Orji Uzor is the focus of this video. This man is totally disconnected from the reality, or he's wicked. Should I call it wickedness, or he's disconnected from the reality? All right, I know that this video will get to you, Senator Orji Uzor. You were a former governor of Abia State. You have been on ground right from 1999. In other words, you are part of the problem. Are you not supposed to be ashamed of yourself? That look at the country, you have been in politics as a governor, as a senator, in different offices, as a businessman that the same country has favored. Are you not supposed to be ashamed of yourself that you people only deliver insecurity, bad economy, debts, everywhere, nothing to write about that you people have delivered for getting to 20-something years? Nothing to write about. No, absolutely nothing to write about. Are you not ashamed of that? You see, when I saw you on the Senate floor wearing a shirt, you have never put on a shirt to the Senate floor, stop the killing. You have never put on a shirt to the Senate floor. There is hardship in Nigeria. Is it that you are wicked or you are disconnected from the reality? Your relative is being held in Abuja unjustly. After so many things, he's still facing trial. You cannot put on a cloth in solidarity with him, Nnamdi Kanu, on the Senate floor. I'm talking about you are representing people. And the people you are representing are dying. People you are representing are suffering. But the only thing that comes to your mind is Tinubu 2027. That is what you are putting on. 70 years old man. Now, let's come to face the reality. I had pity for this man when I saw him crying on the Senate floor in the year 2023 after they resumed. He wanted to be the Senate president, but Jagaban and his boys denied him that you can't be the Senate president. Ekpa has already, taken this law. This man stood up on the Senate law. You can go and Google it, or you just search for it on Facebook. You will see it. This man was crying mercilessly. After everything I did for Nigeria, I built my company in Lagos, I started PDP, I did this, I did that. I said, oh, so this man could cry? This man can cry like this? I thought maybe he will have sense to the reality of ground that time. Only to see that this man changed over time. Yeah, the money have started coming. This man is a billionaire, for God's sake. What do you want? At this your age, what you are supposed to do, Orji Uzor, is to make sure you maintain peace. How will your people feel seeing you wearing Tinubu 2027? Now, let me make this thing clear. You have chosen your path, Orji Uzor. Nobody say you should not campaign. Nobody say you should not do what you like. Come on, you are a father to people. Nobody say you should not do what you want to do. Is it the time to start wearing Tinubu for 2027? Do you know whether he will last to that point? Do you know whether Tinubu will last to that point? Even me talking, I don't know whether I will last to that. But 2027 is far. We are talking about the deaths of people. We are talking about the economic woes, the suffering. Look at the reports the UN, everybody is releasing. Go and look at Nigeria, either malnutrition or hunger. Everything you can think and talk about is all about Nigeria. The other day you were talking and praising Tinubu that Tinubu has paid the debt he's owing IMF. You people did not tell us the truth. You people are lying to us. They refused to borrow Tinubu money because of that debt he's owing. So he need to pay the debt so that he will be able to borrow $21 billion. How many million euros again? And yuan, different foreign currencies. And if this borrowing get through, of which I know it will because people are overstamping it. Once it's get through, the next thing you are going to see is that our debt will now hit 91 trillion in 2 years. Tinubu has borrowed 91 trillion naira in 2 years. Do you know the reason why I'm saying this? Not that the Nigerian people care. They don't care. They are pushover. Any place you push them to, they don't ask questions. What is their sense of making fuel to be up to that price? Tinubu said he removed fuel subsidy so that Nigeria will stop borrowing, so that Nigeria will stop this, stop that, everything will be good, there will be money surplus to do what they want to do. When Goodluck Jonathan removed fuel subsidy, we hear about Shopee, even though they were fraud as well then. They were excess money that they don't know what to do with the money. But Tinubu's administration, it's worse than Buhari's administration. It's worse. Tinubu might not be that bad, but Nigeria is structured in a way that it will make any leader to fail. It will make any leader to fail. Orji, you people went to the Senate floor. A local government chairman in Benue State complained that army said the federal government of Nigeria did not give them go ahead to fight terrorists who are killing back of their barrack. That is not a topic of discussion now because you have security details. You can't die anyhow, or your people are dying anyhow. What do you people really want, Seth? What do you people really want? What do you people really want? Imo State is not far from your state. US released one of the most dangerous places, Benue Plateau, the third place Imo, before Borno State. That is not a topic of discussion. It's not important to you people. I am very, very disappointed at this man. I never knew that these people could be disconnected from the reality. And not only politicians like Orji Uzor. So many businessmen, so many people who follow politicians, they are blind to the reality. They don't know what is. I don't know. Whether I'm contradicting myself. Should I say they don't know, or this is just an act of wickedness? It could be an act of wickedness. Because for someone to say he don't know what is going on, no. I don't think so. So, this is not the time to campaign. And someone like Orji Uzor will be the one to bring people like us back to politics. Because we are not one. Someone like me, I'm not one. If anything that will make us to put mouth in campaign, we are not coming to campaign for people. We are coming to campaign against people and discredit people. And I'm not, apologetic about that. If we are coming to put mouth in election, we are coming to discredit people. This is just after 2 years, you people assume office. You have started campaigning for Tinubu in 2027. In the presence of anything. See, politicians don't care about your life. They don't care about you. The earlier you realize this, the better. These people don't care about you. If you like, go to where you want to go. These people don't care about you. So what are you going to do? The question is before you. What are you going to do? Are you going to fold your hands that this thing will continue like this? There are two options and you've got to choose one. It's either you take the risk for your children or you let it be for your children to suffer. That is the situation. The answer to every situation in Nigeria, both the economic hardship, insecurity, anything you can think or name about, it's either you fight for it now, you take the risk, or leave it for your children. They will start fighting it. And that time, it will be worse than what you are seeing today. But that is not our prayer. So, Orji Uzor, this video is not to attack your life in person, but your attitude and character you are displaying in public as a public figure. So if you don't want people to criticize you, you have to go inside and stop being a public figure. What you are doing is unnecessary. What you are doing is wickedness. It's insensitive to the masses who are dying every day. What you are doing is a taboo. And I don't think I have more words to explain how disappointed I am to what you have done.